Hello everyone, welcome back. If the App Store search is not working on your iPhone and iPad after the latest iOS update, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we have to make sure that we have a stable and strong internet connection. Better refresh internet. Unplug the Wi-Fi router, turn off the Wi-Fi and restart your iPhone. Plug it back the Wi-Fi router and turn on Wi-Fi on your iPhone. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on General and tap on VPN and device management. Tap on VPN and disconnect the VPN if it's connected. Then go back to General. Here we have to tap on iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. The next thing, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. The next solution is force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. In the end, we have to go back to settings, Journal, tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.